welcome back to my channel, Do with Laurie. So today I'm gonna give my honest review about my recent buying two products from Amazon. Both are selfie stick. One is working as a selfie stick, also working as a tripod. So yeah, let's start. As you guys can see, I'm opening a box. So I just received this product, and this one is BliTZWolF selfie stick. This one is working as a selfie stick plus working as a tripod with Bluetooth. Okay. So actually I was looking for one good selfie stick, also for cheap price, because to buy a selfie stick I don't want to spend so much money. So I was just looking in Amazon and just read all of everyone customer review, like okay, what is the best thing for this product or this product. So yeah, I found one and I like it. It's really good for the price, easy to use, easy to set up, everything. So actually I tried it one day before, so that I can use it and I can give you guys a honest review. So let's start. So actually I already unboxed the selfie stick. So I order this one selfie stick. This is Mpow isnap X selfie stick. So in this box I found selfie stick, one book for the instructions, so you can easily use, you can know about this product more, and one charging cable. It's like a microporter. So there was written that don't plug it directly into the wall, and don't use fasting charging cable. It may be create fire. So it's better to, if you want to charge, use your laptop computer to charge. So you have to connect first Bluetooth. So you just hold it for 3 seconds and there is a blue light. I hope you guys can see. So there is a blue light, so it's gonna be appear. Just hold it for like 2 or 3 seconds, then you can see there is a blue light. And after that you have to connect your mobile device. Don't forget to connect it. So if you search in Bluetooth, so you can see first you have to turn on the Bluetooth, then you can see Mpow isnap X. So you have to press that one and then you can just connect it. Okay. So usually this is not my phone, this is my mother phone. So it's also easily fit in Samsung S10, S10 Plus, and mine one is Samsung S8. So it's good if you have big mobile, so it's easily fit here. So after that, do it like that, so it will be tight. If you need more tight, you can put that thing like that, so it will be more tight, and if you want to loose, so put it like that. See, it will be fall. So you can maintain. Then just put it like that, and see, it's so big. So this is basically 31-inch taller. So you can capture good picture if you go anywhere with your family, anywhere, like any trip or for a picnic. So yeah, you can, I really recommended this selfie stick. You can really use this one. It's really good and really good for the price and really lightweight. Yeah. And after that, pull up like that. easy to carry in your backpack, so it's really small. So yeah, I really recommended this one. Is really good and really good for the price. So now I'm gonna show you how to charge it. So plug it into like that. See, there is a red light appearing. It means it's charging. So please use laptop or computer to charge it. Otherwise, if you use fasting charging cable, it will be create fire. I already told you guys. My mom was telling me that, like, okay Lauren, that can you order for me also one. So then I started looking into the Amazon app. Then my mom changed his mind, and she was telling me that can you order something like which gonna work as a selfie stick, also as a tripod. I say okay, I can see, yeah, but there will be definitely one good one, not even one, there will be more. So yeah, and so I ordered for my mom BliTZWolF selfie stick, also is work as a tripod. So it's this one. Let's see. Okay, so this one also similar, so similar like that one, little bit. There is a Bluetooth connection, so you have to press here, then there is a green light appear, then you have to go to turn on the Bluetooth from your device, and you can see this one, BliTZWolF. So then just press that one and just connect. I'm gonna show you this one. So this one basically a little bit tight, so you have to be careful when you push up. So I thought it should be more taller, because in Amazon app they mentioned like it should be 31 inch, yeah, like that, or 30 inch like that. But when it came compared to this one, these inches count like from the stick, okay, not this part, but this one count from this to this part. So basically this one more higher than this one. So then after that I noticed, then I realized, oh, they mentioned already that, like, it not mentioned, they put a picture. So in the picture they put the, you know, the size, like it's start from here. So yeah, but this one good for the, because between $26, like working as a tripod and working as a selfie stick is good, yeah. But this one I don't like, not so much. I don't like so much this one, because that thing is really thinner. So that's the thing, otherwise everything is nice.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if
You have to go to the down part of selfie stick, then just push like that, and just pull up. As you can see, it's making tripod now. So guys, I hope you like my video. I try my best to give my honest review about these two products in my one video. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for more updates. If you get any benefit by my review, so please comment down below so I can know. So please work for you guys. Thanks for watching. Thank you so much. Have a great day.